Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to a Facebook post. So in order to add music to a Facebook post, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. All we need to do is open your Facebook app like this, and then you want to click on this plus icon right here in the top right corner of your screen in order to actually create a post. Then you want to make sure you click on photo/video, and you want to add any photo you want as your post. Then you want to make sure to click right here on edit, and then here you have a lot of editing options, but you'll also see this music icon at the top of your screen where you want to click on. Then literally right here you can choose out of any song you want, for example this one. All you need to do is add it, and then what you're going to do is click on it, and here you can actually change it up a little bit by changing how you want to show this song over your post. So you can either just make it like 3 dots, or you can make it like this entire banner, which is actually looking pretty cool by simply clicking on it and clicking on done. You want to swipe it into your post, then you want to click on next, and now you have added music to your post, and all you need to do is click on post at the top right corner of your screen, and now your post will be posted with music. So that's how you can add music to a Facebook post. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.